You might be wondering where I'm at. Today, we are at Sun City Anthem at Merrill Ranch in Florence, Arizona. Now, this is the next installment of our Back to Basics series. I wanted to take a fresh look at this community with you guys, and this is amazing. This normally would be a garage, but it's part of the Model Home Center where they show you all of the interesting things about the Del Webb quality, their insulation, their build process. I'm here to tell you that our viewers and clients enjoy the high quality homes that Del Webb builds for us. Lots of amazing options here, 8 new models, and lots of things to choose from. So, where is Florence? Florence is in the southeast part of the Phoenix Valley, probably maybe 15-20 minutes south of the Santan, Queen Creekish area. So you've got great shopping nearby, but immediately outside of the community, you've got Safeway, you've got healthcare, there's a Walmart about 15 minutes away, all the day-to-day things. And not far from the airport, not far from friends and maybe family if they're living nearby in the East Valley. This community has 3,800 to 4,000-ish homes planned, I think. Started in about 2006, so it's been here a while. But you guys, they're going to be building for a while. They've just built a bunch of new model homes here where I'm sitting today, and they're ready for another round of home building. So what does that mean? Those of you who really do want a new home can come to this community, still get affordable pricing. Base prices starting about $280 for the smallest homes and going on up to base prices of around $490-ish or so. This is 2026 pricing, you guys, so keep that in mind. And then add your options on top of that. If you want a resale home, we have plenty of nice ones to show you starting in the lower 300s. So some really good options at this community that I think many of you are going to like. Now let's talk about the amenities here at Sun City Anthem at Merrill Ranch. You gotta say the Merrill Ranch or there could be confusion in this town. Call me and I'll explain why. But Merrill Ranch is the overall all ages community development. Inside of that is the Sun City development. But amenities reserved just for us, 55 and up. If you have guests, you can take your grandkids to the all ages pool with the water slides and all the bells and whistles. But here, things are dedicated just for people who are in this community, age appropriate, if you will. 8 pickleball courts, they've got golf, they've got fitness, they've got a walking track. All of the things that we love with Del Webb, arts and crafts, enough to keep you very, very busy. They have the tribute band concerts here too, you guys. They have a little ticket center where you can buy your tickets and get information on all of the clubs that they have. You will not be bored in this community. One thing I have noticed here is people seem very open and friendly. It's a little more chill here, I think, than some of the other communities here in the Valley. Could be the location, could be any number of things. But I think for many of you, this is a community that we need to put near the top of your list when you come here for your visit. So now let's talk about everybody's thing. What are the home prices? Now, side note, for those of you who stick to the end, I'm going to have a little treat, one model tour of a model we've not seen before, just to give you an idea of what your money will buy. But home prices here start in the 300s and they go up from there. If you want to be by the golf course, obviously you're going to pay a little more. If you want a bigger house, you're going to pay a little more. But we can get you that 3rd-car garage or golf cart garage. We can get you 3 bedrooms. We can get you a den. Whatever works for you, we can get you. So now let's head over and I'm going to show you one of the newest models. Now for the bonus. Those of you who stuck with me this long get the special treat of this new model, the Tifton Walk. I'm not seeing this one before, you guys, and I really like it. I've got a cheat sheet here. 1520 square feet. No, sorry, 1920. I don't have my glasses on. This one, 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 baths, 2.5 car garage. Now, you can make it into a 3 bedroom, and you can have an optional flex room or a powder room, or D, all of the above, I guess, if you want. Base price on this starts in the $350-ish range. Again, this is 2026. Reach out to me and I can give you the current pricing. But let's take a look around here. You've got a nice size living room area. Now, this is one thing I would not do in my home, have the dueling sofas. That's what I think when I see all these sofas. I'm not into the dueling anything in my life these days. So let's talk about some of our other spaces here. You guys, this kitchen is amazing. Big island, 4 seats. Again, when you go up to 1900-ish, I can't speak today, square feet, you're going to get a bigger footprint, which makes for bigger rooms. Now, in our dining room today, they've specifically put a larger table that has got 8 good-sized seats, so you can see how many people can come to your gourmet club dinner. I'd say at least 8, and put the people who behave like children at the island. That's your version of the kids' table on Thanksgiving. But good main area seating and living, lounging spaces that I think would suit most of us very, very well. Now here in the master, wow, what a space, you guys. This, as most of our model homes here in the 55 plus versions, will show a king size bed. This one, they've got a big king size bed with big nightstands. Again, they put big furniture to kind of show it off a little bit. Then in this bathroom, this is an amazing space as well. You've got 2 sinks, one for me, one for, you know, my imaginary husband, and then a good size walk-in shower. And this is what I want to show you here is 0 entry. Now, I don't think I can fit my wheelchair in here, but maybe if I have a special one. But lots of space here, and it's a smooth transition if you're having an injury and you can't step into a shower. Then you've got your water closet, and then, you know, I have to do it. Here is this ginormous closet. I think this is a fantastic space. Let's go see the rest real quick. Now, this is one of my favorite spaces in this particular model. I guess I just like the decor, and just so you know, you can order all of these items through the Webb website. If you want to recreate the look that they've got in these model homes, I love that option. So you don't have to call a fancy decorator. Point, click, it'll be delivered to your new house. When you work with me, I'll probably even go accept the delivery if you need to. So again, Tifton Walk is the name of this model. I like the spaces in here. You do get this extra den space. You can have a larger laundry room. They've got a powder room. So when you're having guests over, they're not using the main bathrooms. 2 bedrooms. Two baths. And the bedrooms are amply sized. I think this home is a fantastic model. And let's think about this, $350-ish base price? That is crazy. all in, nicely upgraded, under $450, I think. So that's before we hit them up for the incentives. So you guys should reach out to me at my website on the screen below. Let's have a Zoom call to talk about all of the options for new homes and resales in the Sun City Anthem at Merrill Ranch community. I really think many of you are going to end up being neighbors in this fabulous place. I'm excited to talk to you soon.